How to make add yours template on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply swipe right to tap on the story option. So what you simply need to do is click a very random picture. I'm going to click a very plain background, and here at the top you can see different options. So select on this sticker icon. As you tap on sticker icon, here you can see the options of add yours. So simply tap on add yours option, and here you can write any prompt. So let's gonna add a picture of 2024 and then tap on done, and you can just put it on your story. So that's how you make add yours template on Instagram story. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.